Kani ke juraki ke long ru ringkat ke ketien pang preng Misericordia Day, bar kani ke skul, ke belas dang house nem syaja kendai spa kendai pesau, kan rakhi ke jingken jo dap arpasan snem, di ki program beper, bar ke jere akai beper, habaro ke shisnem. Ya kani ke skul na du snem balaseng ya ka la penyai de ke Christy Youth Welfare Organization, bala tip ya ka kum ke Christy Academy. Hadin pras nem bala penyai de ke organization, la IT no ban penyai de ikong Helimaya Karangi bam kwai hadwar blay, ibade itrai jaka hakaba kani ke skul ke yeng menta. Kumta ru ika Christy Academy la tipno at Salem Secondary School house nam arja pra ringkar kaktian pira come in to learn go out to serve. Nakaliang ke skul ha kani ke sengi play perdai ke jingtap arpasan snem kelakin mau bura me ke belaklan nok belai dan benta ban ayu senyang ban kintiu bat penkiu ya kani ke skul daga ban ken mau ba om dan ke ke bamla bat ublei usim ke hima khairem ha bakran ke bukongsan ulai ke jero ai kani ke skul bat ai kublei ki bahayeng ki khon ki kti jongi kong Helimaya Karangi bam kwaya dwar blei ki bra shimti ban ai ke jing shakri ki samla puli om tang na ka thai nongkrem henre ni ki par ki benta ba marjan.
Years it's a long time. 25 very hard, very tough, but flourishing at the end of the 25 years. You really deserve a great silver jubilee. I can imagine the efforts that they have put in to start a school from scratch, how to put it along for the academic year from beginning to end, how to plan for the coming year and for years to come, well, unimaginable. But then God is always there. As the saying goes, God helps those who have the trust.